Heading to the beach should be relaxing, not a struggle with sand, heat, and disorganization. In this video, we're sharing 25 genius beach hacks to make your next trip more convenient, comfortable, and stress-free. Let's dive in. 1. Use baby powder to remove sand from your skin. After a long day playing in the surf, sand clings to everything. Just sprinkle baby powder on your feet or legs, and it dries the moisture so the sand brushes right off. 2. Create a sand-free zone using a fitted sheet. Place your bags or cooler in each corner to hold the sides up. You'll have a mini oasis where little ones, or your lunch, can stay sand-free. 3. Freeze water bottles instead of using ice. They'll keep your cooler cold and provide ice-cold hydration as they melt. 4. Use a mesh laundry bag for beach toys. Just toss in the toys and shake the bag when it's time to leave. The sand falls out and the toys stay put. 5. Bring a portable fan with a misting feature. Rechargeable fans with built-in sprayers offer instant relief on scorching beach days. 6. Use a clear, tinted tote to organize your beach essentials. You can see everything inside without digging, saving time and hassle. 7. DIY waterproof your phone with a zip-top bag. You'll still be able to use the touchscreen while keeping it safe from water and sand. 8. Use a foldable beach wagon to haul your gear. Especially useful for families, it saves you from multiple trips back to the car. 9. Bring a solar-powered charger. Keep your phone or Bluetooth speaker powered up without hunting for an outlet. 10. Pack a spray bottle filled with vinegar. It's a quick, natural remedy for jellyfish stings and bug bites. 11. Secure your towel with large binder clips or towel clips. No more chasing it down the beach after a gust of wind. 12. Always bring a small first aid kit. Include aloe gel, bandages, antiseptic wipes, and seasickness tablets just in case. 13. Use cooler dividers or bento boxes. Keep your food and drinks organized and fresh throughout the day. 14. Bring a beach umbrella or pop-up tent. It provides much-needed shade and gives you a cool place to recharge. 15. Freeze aloe vera in ice cube trays. These frozen cubes are a lifesaver if you catch too much sun. 16. Use a dry bag for your valuables. Keep your phone, wallet, and keys safe and dry while you swim or relax. 17. Use a bucket to store flip-flops with hooks attached. Everyone's sandals stay in one place and easy to find. 18. Swap your towel for a yoga mat. It doesn't bunch up, is easy to clean, and provides better support on uneven sand. 19. Pack a lightweight blanket or sarong. Perfect for wrapping up if the wind picks up, or for extra shade. 20. Use a plastic tablecloth for beach picnics. Weighted corners help keep it from blowing away while you eat. 21. Bring suction cup hooks or clips. Stick them to your cooler or umbrella to hang wet clothes, hats, or goggles. 22. Use a hanging mesh organizer for clean clothes. Just hang it up and you've got a sand-free changing station. 23. Bring a small bottle of rubbing alcohol. It's great for removing sticky sunscreen or beach tar from your feet. 24. Keep snacks in sealable, sand-proof containers. Screw-top jars or tight zip bags keep the grit out and the freshness in. And finally, 25. Always pack an extra trash bag. Use it for wet clothes, sandy gear, or keeping your car clean after a day at the beach. With just a little prep and the right tricks, your beach day can go from chaotic to completely chill. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell so you never miss your next beachside adventure. Thanks for watching at Beachside 365, where every day feels like a vacation.